Mr. Chairman, I am a proud former member of Teamsters Local 170 in Worcester, Massachusetts, and a former member of AFL-CIO Local 2 in San Francisco. From that experience, I know personally the value of being a union member. I'm also a former small business person who knows the value of having good-paying jobs in a community represented by union members to small businesses. Mr. Chairman, the wealthiest Americans continue to take home a larger and larger share of America's wealth. According to Fed data, the top 1% of Americans have a combined net worth of $34.2 trillion, which is 15 times more wealth than the bottom 50% of Americans. 1% has more wealth than 160 million Americans. This is unparalleled in our existence and must be addressed if you really care about working people. This inequality has contributed to what is called the diseases of despair by public health experts that has worsened the behavioral health crisis exponentially in this country. At the same time, union coverage today is half of what it was 40 years ago, and research shows that deunionization accounts for up to 1/3 of the inequality of which I speak. The Economic Policy Institute estimates that deunionization has led to working people losing $200 billion per year, and that money goes to make inequality greater and goes into the already exceedingly disproportionate wealth by those in the 1% and hurts all of us, including them. And American workers being able to organize will help restore the balance of power between workers and employers, wages and capital. The research is clear that when workers collectively bargain and organize, their pay goes up. On average, a worker covered by a union contract earns 13% more than a peer in a non-unionized workplace.
The gentleman's time has expired.
Madam Speaker, Madam Chair, I appreciate the time from the Chair, and I would ask my colleagues to enthusiastically support this initiative.